Ascent Audio, a division of Recorded Books, presents Implementing Data Mesh. Design, build, and implement data contracts, data products, and data mesh. By Jean-Georges Perrin and Eric Broda. Narrated by Daniel Henning. This title includes bonus material. To access, visit rbmediaglobal.com/audiobooks/search and search for the title. In the search results, click the title to visit the audiobook landing page. Access the PDF via the Download Bonus Material link under Downloads. Disclaimer. The views expressed in this work are those of the authors and do not represent the publisher's views. While the publisher and the authors have used good faith efforts to ensure that the information and instructions contained in this work are accurate, the publisher and the authors disclaim all responsibility for errors or omissions, including, without limitation, responsibility for damages resulting from the use of or reliance on this work. Use of the information and instructions contained in this work is at your own risk. If any code samples or other technology this work contains or describes is subject to open source licenses or the intellectual property rights of others, it is your responsibility to ensure that your use thereof complies with such licenses and/or rights. Forward. When I first encountered the data mesh concept in late 2020, I was much more steeped in the best practices of the operational world, especially site reliability engineering, SRE, and distributed systems. Zhamak Dehghani, the creator of the data mesh concept, proposed a number of ways of doing analytics, machine learning, and data work that felt very familiar and a bit obvious because of how long they had been adopted in the software world, like shifting ownership left, product thinking, continuous integration, and continuous delivery, CI/CD, etc. However, after I spent a few weeks digging deeper, including into what people were actually saying about data mesh in posts on LinkedIn and Twitter, so not just the articles, presentations, and podcast, there was a resounding question underlying everything. Okay, but how? The data world, in general, hadn't done work in any way close to what data mesh calls for, and trying to simply jump into entirely new ways is, 1, disruptive in general.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?